Hi, this video is going to be on the theme of appearance versus reality and Much Ado About Nothing. Now, by this theme, we mean that not everything in the play is as it seems. So at the beginning of the play, we have Benedick and Beatrice engaging in these witty insults with one another. So we think that they dislike each other, but of course we later find out that that's not true. And they try to keep up this facade to the other characters, but it's soon broken down and we see the reality of their feelings for one another. And of course we see this too with Claudio and Hero. So Claudio is tricked by Don John into thinking he is seeing Hero being unfaithful. So he thinks he sees Hero kissing Horatio, but in fact it's Margaret who is kissing Horatio. So we see this theme of appearance versus reality here, and as a consequence of this, of course, we have Hero faking her own death, and then Claudio thinking that he's going to marry Hero's cousin when in reality he is marrying Hero. And as well as this, we also have the language in the play that contributes to the theme of appearance versus reality. So we have hyperbole, which is when things are exaggerated. We have malapropisms, which we see best through Dogberry and The Watch. So they will say something when really they are trying to say something else. So they'll use a word that sounds like the word that they're trying to say. And we also have dramatic irony. So with this, we can see it through the masked ball. So the characters don't necessarily know who is beneath the mask, but we know the reality, we know which characters are beneath the masks. So this also helps to contribute to the overall humour of the play as well. So hopefully you can see how the theme of appearance versus reality plays out in the play. Thanks for listening.